on YouTube. Get that going. Let me make sure that is actually up and going now. Alright, good morning, hello YouTube. Alright, looks like we should be okay. The screen looks black. Oh no, there we go. Oh, that scared me.
Is this swim?
What was that?
Is this think or swim?
Yeah, so guys, today I'm going to be charting with Thinkorswim because I'm having some technical issues with TradingView. But this sort of gives us the opportunity to chart supply and demand again and on a different platform and to see that, it does work on every platform because everything is just, candlestick action, price action.
Cool.
Yeah, so give me a little bit just to get into the swing of things. What I'll end up doing is I'll end up throwing a third chart down here for VIX, and maybe we'll get some VWAP on here as well. But first NQ. Obviously, guys, you saw that gap is just the market sort of what's the word? The contracts. Or here we wrote it in here. The gap was due to rollover in the contracts of futures. So the June contracts rolling over into September and all that stuff. So if you're on TradingView, you'll see like a big gap up. If you are on TOS, which is cool, it's still the same contract. So we're still sort of we're not gapped up on TOS. So it sort of gives us an easier chart to use. Oh, that was loud. See if we get a move coming out of open. Got a nice rally. Let's get the 5-minute on there for you guys. Definitely tough to not have any of my like zones or anything. If it ain't one thing, it's another, guys. That's alright. TOS, the tools are down here. Use this as a key level if I want to show price, show name, don't show. This will just be a key level. I'm going to mark this as blue because this is an intraday key level. Something I'm going to be watching. This was like the high. Like if we're looking at this range right here, this was the top of this range. So let's break it, see if we're wicking into it, see if it was a bull trap, or see if we close above it, reclaim this area, and then continue higher. So let's see, NASDAQ, let's also get some zones on NASDAQ, go 15-minute, nothing too nice, maybe right here. Let's go 30-minute. 30 minutes are pretty clean right there. So we'll remove this. And we will add a 30. So for now, guys, what I'm going to do, because what I'm doing now is I'm going from the 15 to the 30 to the hourly. Usually what you want to do to make it easier is you go from the higher time frames. You go to the daily, and you go to the, let's see, you go 8 hour right here. And let's see, 8 hour, make it green. And guys, I'm going to show you guys a cool little trick that I use on Thinkorswim. And what that is so with the rectangles, what you're going to want to do is, well, first what you do to make it extend to the right is you click the little date and you just click this right here, and that just changes the whole year. So that'll extend it all the way. The second thing you're going to want to do, because this is a demand zone, I'm going to make this green. But I'm also, so if you make this green just like that, it's going to be a bright green. You cannot see those candles when we're in there. So what you're going to want to do is when you're in the color, you go to more. And once you have green selected, you go to this little tab, HSL. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring up the transparency to about 70. And what that's going to do is make it so much easier to see those candles. Now when we're trading or when we're in that zone, we won't see this bright green rectangle. It'll be easier to see the candles. So let's go now to, this is the 8 hour. Let's check out the 4. Nothing much on the 4. We could check out the 3. Here we go. It's a nice 3 hour right here. So we'll extend this to the right. and we'll change the color to red. What I do for red is I'll go to more, and I'll click the red right here in the middle, and then of course bring it to about 70, and that's that. I'm gonna activate and bring this one a bit lower, and this one's going to be our, what's cool with TradingView over, what's cool with Thinkorswim over TradingView is if you got trend lines, or if you got like drawings overlapping and you right click it, you could edit properties and it'll give you the list of stuff. Whereas with TradingView, when you click it and things are overlapping, it'll just give you that top one, and you got to go into the tab and you got to look into it, or you got to move the rectangle. Not as easy as Thinkorswim, but that's all right. So this is going to be a 3-hour. I don't know why I made that red. It should have been green. Let me make sure I'm not missing anybody YouTube-wise. Hey, good morning, YouTube. Hope you're all doing well. Happy trading. Happy Friday. Made it to the end of the week. Congrats. Alright, let's see. So NASDAQ, I did have a weekly up here from a long time ago, back when I was using Thinkorswim. So we'll be watching that. Alright, so let's check out now 2-hour. So 2-hour, we sort of got a 2-hour right here, right above the 3-hour. I'm not a big fan of marking multiple zones. What I will do though is I'll put the key level here, and I'll mark it as a 2-hour just like I would a regular demand, but I won't give it the rectangle. So I'll know that this is the demand, but I'll also know that this is the stronger area of interest, because this is where we really wicked and got that bottom. Let's see, 90-minute. I mean, we could have done this one on the 90-minute, but this wasn't much of a continuation, but it did hold. We'll always see things like that. 1 hour. You know, we got a 1 hour inside the 2-hour. This is why you always go to higher time frames, because you want the higher time frame zone. You don't want to be adding a 1 hour and a 2-hour and a 3-hour and a 4-hour and a 8. You don't want all that. Then you get messy, then you get confused. You just want the higher time frame zones. So let's check out the 5-minute. And what I'm also going to do to make it a little clearer for us is for futures, I'm going to make it so it highlights extended hours. That way we could sort of see where we opened. And look, you could do, there's a lot of cool tricks, tips and tricks with Thinkorswim. If you hit this little arrow right here, display it in the style menu, and then you hit apply, then you're able to just change that like right here. You're able to change it right here. Click it on and off super fast. Alright, let's bring this one back down over here. Bring this over here. Alright, looks like we're getting some rejection on NASDAQ. Let's see if we got any supply zones up here that we're rejecting. Any 1 hours? Yeah, we got like a 1 hour right here we just wicked off of. But as we've seen lately, we've been getting to 1 hours, we've been rejecting them, and then we've been coming back into them. So it's definitely something to keep an eye on. If anything, maybe wait for longs on NASDAQ right over here once we reject here. Let's see, what's a 2-hour looking like? No, that wick's no good. This 2-hour zone's valid right here. So we're going to mark this zone, and the reason for that is because this is basing, and we had a big drop candle afterwards. Then we continued, and we used it again for an even stronger drop. So I'm going to mark this as a 2-hour supply, so we'll go 2H, make it red. And then we're going to throw the rectangle on there. And what I have on the rectangle, I was mentioning earlier how you want to make it transparent so you could see the candles. I have saved as default a gray one where it's transparent, so I don't really have to change the colors each time. But making it green and red is good too. I usually do that. I used to do that with Thinkorswim. I used to keep all of my zones gray except the really valid ones. Then I would make those green or red. But I don't really do that anymore. I just know. I just mark the higher quality zones. Let's see. So TOS, ES over here. Yeah, ES making yearly highs. That's cool. Oh, okay. Here's something to notice, guys. We got some divergence going on. We have ES making higher highs, right, on the yearly and on the hourly, on the 4 hour, on the daily, while NASDAQ right now is making lower highs. But we got to let it play out. We got to see. We need NASDAQ to get above this 2 hour supply. Let's see. I'm looking for a valid zone here, but obviously, like I said, it rejected the 1 hour at first, then started going through it still. So let's check that 5 minute. Let's throw up VWAP. Let's get into some day trading, guys. Let's look for some setups. Nope, not the one I wanted. And let's even get the volume cloud on there. That's a good one. Guys, I'm not taking any trades right now for you guys, just so you know. I could be up, oh man, 5 points already? Damn. But no, I'm sitting out so I could teach you guys and so I go over stuff with you guys. I know. What a guy. Damn, what a rally. Let's see. Show volume. Edit studies. VWAP. Volume profile. Not volume profile, volume cloud. And if anybody's interested in this volume cloud on Thinkorswim, just let me know. I'll send you the link. It's definitely a lot cleaner on Thinkorswim than it is on anything else. Alright, let's see. Alright, yeah, no, I gotta log in. I gotta take some trades. This is crazy. Let's see. Not yet, let me see.
Don't get the FOMO.
I know, right? I know. I was thinking the same thing. I was like, well, I don't want to chase it. Some strength. That's some high volume. NASDAQ. Let's see if NASDAQ wants to breach. Yup, it does. Oh, man. We got that volume, volatility, and momentum right now.
I got a previous day close indicator for Thinkorswim if anybody wants that too.
That's cool. My trading view my trade weight's not working now too. That's funny. Look at that. Nothing wants to work for me today, guys. I guess I'm not taking any trades. Drag and drop.
What's going on with TradingView?
I don't know. I wish I knew. Dom. Oh, here we go, finally. It's working. Damn, what a move. Alright, well now can't FOMO it. Definitely can't get in now. Oh man. That's crazy. That's really crazy. I'm gonna have to, I don't know. I gotta wait for TradingView to contact me back. That's nuts, guys. Look at that. That's, oh, you know what? Duh. I have actual useful things on here. I have data on here. Time and sales. Where are you? Here we go. No, continue. There we go. That's nice. Oh, let me also.
It seems to be working for me.
No, I'm sure. No, I was having a subscription issue. Wouldn't be something anybody else was dealing with. It's a me problem. Yeah. That's alright. It happens. Alright, let's see.
So they didn't like your conversation, huh?
Guess not. Vix wants to come back up. That's odd. Maybe we get some pullback here. I don't know. Let's see. Again, not a fan of not having zones. We do have this 2-hour coming up on NASDAQ. Let's see if we got a 15-minute or 30-minute any closer. Oh, nope. Here's some buying volume coming in. Always watch, guys, if you have bid and ask. Bid and ask is definitely good to use, too.
I've got my fans drawn from yesterday, and it's amazing how closely it's still following them.
That's awesome. You may want to call trading view, Kevin. Problem could be. Yeah, no, it's definitely Joe. It's definitely there. And oh, I didn't see his message he left. Yeah, T Street screwed me yesterday. No charts. Yeah, that's crazy. Thanks for TOS. Yeah, no problem, Melcat. But oh man. Going higher? No way. Yeah? Nah. Nah, no way. Alright, let's see real quick, 30-minute. Alright, let's see, guys. Let's see. I think we might start trapping retail now. I don't know. I feel like we gotta run out of steam somewhere. But no, I don't know. NASDAQ super strong wants that 2-hour again. VIX dropped again. Let's see. Oh no, YouTube. Guys, I'm so sorry. I know yesterday I wasn't here. It was a bit rough on the YouTube end. Let's get that going. Guys, we do have another webinar tomorrow. Tomorrow, 6 p.m. Eastern. Be there, learn about divergence and, divergence. What are we going to go over? Divergence and support and resistance. That's what we're going to do tomorrow's, webinar on. NASDAQ, big push right here. Could it bring a yes with it?
Order filled.
I'm definitely not in an order. I don't know what you're talking about. That's fine. I'm fine. Oh, I hate that we don't have the timer on the candles. Like it does, like Thinkorswim has the not Thinkers. I'm keep getting TradingView and Thinkorswim messed up. TOS and TV. TV has the countdown on the candles. TOS does not. Come on, give us another push up. Since you want to just keep going all day. What time is it? Alright, we got a minute, 2 minutes in this 5-minute. Nice. Nice. Does it want those highs? Was this a fake out?
Nasdaq, we're in a supply zone now, right?
I don't see a supply on ES yet because we sort of broke some major key supply zones, so we sort of do have some room. We just are sort of running into a supply zone on Nasdaq though.
Yeah, I'm already in one. I think on the 1 hour.
Oh, okay.
14,600.
Gotcha. I'm gonna let it push up one more time and maybe scalp a call. Or scalp a long. Sorry, I'm doing futures. We got a minute 10 seconds. A lot of sell orders just hit. Let's see. Come on, Nasdaq. You know you want to. Come on, ES. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Nasdaq wants those highs. ES at these equal highs right here. A little bit of divergence. I think I want ES on this chart too, but on a 15-minute. Yeah, that's good. Alright, I'm gonna wait for a little pullback to get this candle red, and then let's see guys, we'll see. Gotta be careful in this type of gotta be careful shorting this because obviously how strong it's been, but you also gotta be careful going long here because now we're sort of running into a wall and a bit of resistance. So we do need volume and strength to continue. VS, volume, strength. Here we go. Is this something?
Order filled.
I'm out. Alright, just took a scalp long on that. I got out because we were rejecting this before. Could we go to highs? Absolutely. Am I okay with the profits? Absolutely. So now I wait. We play the waiting game. You gotta take what you are confident in. Part of me wants to re-enter, another part of me knows the supply zone's coming up on Nasdaq, so I'm going to wait to see some weakness again. But the volume cloud's telling me buyers are super strong still.
Order filled.
So I'll try another quick scalp maybe. I don't know why Trade-O-Vate. Oh, Trade-O-Vate's completely off from Thinkorswim. I'm like, why is it filling me there if I'm... Oh, that stinks. Okay, is what it is. That's okay. I don't know about you guys. You guys listen to music when you're trading? I usually do. Obviously, I can't listen to speakers anymore because YouTube will pick it up. I got like an earbud in, and I'm just, you know, you gotta vibe when you trade, guys. You can't be anxious. When you're anxious, you make poor mistakes.
I'm trying to work and trade.
There you go. That works too.
No. No, I'm going to take some days off when I start doing it.
No. Here we go. Here we go. Very nice.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm out there. That was awesome. Very good, guys. This is a nice either buy and hold or a scalp type of day right here, guys, with these impulse moves up. Nasdaq being the leader. Nasdaq saying don't go short. Don't short ES. Nasdaq's too strong. And that's it, guys. You just gotta know some basics. Trading could be the most confusing thing in the world, or it could, literally, I don't want to say the most basic thing in the world, but it can become more simple. You really need to try to simplify trading. Nice, I got out, let's see what price I got out. I got out 4318. It was 3 ticks from the high, and that was with the market order. And again, guys, we're coming up to this 2-hour supply on Nasdaq, so I am expecting a rejection. But looking at the 15-minute, can't short this market yet, would need to wait for a 15-minute to close and look bearish. Because right now, if you wanted to short this 15-minute, I don't know. I would, I'd reconsider. Nasdaq wanting the supply. sort of want to scalp it long again, but I feel like I'm going to run out of luck on those, so I'm not going. So I'm going to wait. I think, what am I at now? 190, alright. Alright, so let's see, guys. I did want to scalp it over here again. I did not, so let's see. I do think we get another little push, because NASDAQ still has a little room for supply as well. So we shall see. We got how much time on this 15 minute? About 7 minutes? 7 minutes on this 15. So this is really important, guys. See if we reject. This 5 minutes got about a minute left. Alright, let's see. Hello YouTube, welcome, welcome. We are trading, scalping, and just trading some futures. Happy Friday, happy trading. What's going on? Super bullish day, starting to love futures. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Webinar tomorrow is at 6 p.m. Eastern. 6 p.m. Eastern. And we're going to be going over divergence, support, and resistance. See that? Here we go, guys. NASDAQ pushing into supply. ES pushing higher, too. Again, I did want to take another scalp down here. Did not take it. Didn't want to go against me. But also got to take account for, can I load styles? I think this is my most recent. Alright, that's close enough. Remove this. Remove study. I mean, listen, guys, we're going into supply with strength. We might not reject. I don't know. But let's see. We just closed on supply in NASDAQ. Be careful if anybody's in any long positions. Be careful around here. Yep. Here we go. Let's see. We might get some pullback, and then we might continue, guys. Bears have not been able to control this market yet. Sorry guys, I'm just messaging the tech guy real quick while this pullback happens. See, that's the great thing about pullbacks, guys, too, and supply and demand, is if you were trading ES like I am, and you trade and chart NQ as well, you're going to see the supply zone. You're not going to be surprised by this pullback. You're going to know, okay, let me get out. Instead of not having a target on ES, let me use NASDAQ to be my target, because I know they usually go hand in hand with the trends. Yep, let's see. Let me change the colors on here real quick. Appearance, fill it down. Alright guys, maybe we'll get that pullback and we'll get this 15-minute close like a hammer and we could short that next one. Let's see. Really gotta let the candles play out, gotta let the candles close. Because also, don't forget, bulls have been winning this whole day. All this buying volume, strong volume. Alright, let's see. What are you guys trading today? YouTube, Discord, what are you guys all trading today?
MES.
MES, nice. Did you hit your 30 yet?
Yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm in a trade now. I'm about to cut my losses. 22.
Nice. Castleton asking if we use moving averages on futures. I personally don't use any indicators on anything other than VWAP. Alright, there's that. Alright, let's see. We might get a bit of a rally, a base, and a rally on the 5-minute, guys. If this 5 closes like that, that'd be a great, great live example. Okay, let's see. Remember, guys, we also use this 2-hour supply as well. So the zone's been used before. If we break through, we're going to have a big, big breakthrough. That's going to be a nice move. Part of me wants to try along here with the stop here, but that would be like catching a falling knife. Not completely because we've been bullish, but we haven't closed. I haven't gotten that confirmation yet. So I will wait, we'll wait. Patience is key. We got 30 seconds left in this candle. No reason to rush it. This 15 minutes looking ready to base too. Maybe the real trend today, guys, is gonna be bearish. That'd be crazy. What's the daily looking like? Oh, no, never mind. Unless, I mean, we could break back into into range, but I don't know, guys, be careful. I'm thinking a reclaim of right here and go long. I did want to rally a base and a rally, so we'll see if this candle continues higher. I don't know. We do have supply here on NQ still, so be careful. If you take a long here, you enter here, stop at the low of this wick. But again, me personally, I'm probably not taking this trade. You guys have a good trading week? Everybody green this week or break even, or how's everybody doing?
I'm green.
Hey. What about the rest of you? Kevin, you mentioned making trading simpler. Are there steps to assist in this effort? Aaron, so steps to making trading simpler. For me personally, it was all supply and demand that helped me make it easier, because then I was able to really get indicators off my chart. The less is more approach when it comes to trading. That's how I see it. Less is more, and then when you find proper things like confirmations, then you're able to use those and really simplify your trading. Alright, let's see if we continue here. But like, so I used to have like the 9 EMA, the 21 EMA, VWAP, you know, support and resistance indicators where it would like plot levels on previous swing highs and stuff, all that fun stuff. There was this one cool indicator I do sometimes use still too. It's an auto trend line plotter. Auto trend line. And it's sort of, it's dope. It finds like the trends, like it automatically plots those levels, which is cool. But that's about it on that. Other than that, I do not use any other indicators or studies or nothing. All right, let's see. We got NASDAQ right back to its supply, but we're wicking it. Let's see if we can break through it with strength. Don't forget there's Bookmap too, guys. We could always check out Bookmap. Bookmap's a cool tool on Thinkorswim. Okay, what's it called? NASDAQ back in supply. I do think we break it. I don't know. See, guys, part of me wants to go long here because of how strong we've been, but another part of me is saying you can't do it because we're in supply, and if it starts crushing against me, it wouldn't be a surprise. You want to get in a trade where it wouldn't be a surprise if it goes against you. Like, if I got long here and it goes against me, I'm going to say, well, no doubt it went against me. I got long in supply. So I don't want that. We just don't want that. We want to be able to get in and say, oh, well, it's more than likely going to continue this way. It's more than likely going to do this. So if there wasn't a supply here, then maybe I'd consider taking it long because we are breaking. But right now, it's a no-go for me. Let's see. So you see we are getting weak on NASDAQ again. Now we're getting strong. Alright, let's see. It's Quite the
I
market we're
made,
getting.
I made my $50, Kevin.
Hey!
I'm not going to do any more because, like you say, I am going to get in trouble. Otherwise, I'm going to get caught in a bull trap.
You got it. Go for it, Victoria. Good job. Get her done. Aaron, I don't know if you're listening, but did that help at all with the simplify the trading?
Yes.
Cool beans. But yes,
Yeah, Evan, it did.
Awesome.
I was gonna throw out something else in there. The fact that I'm the small account right now. Well,
Yeah.
the effort is to build up an account. And,
Right.
brother, I am struggling with that.
So, when you say small account, why not try an Apex account? They have the Save 80 going, and it's only so for a 25K account, you would put $40 down. They would give you an evaluation account, which you could do through TradeOvate. So you place your orders on TradeOvate, or you could even connect it to TradingView. Even if you have the basic TradingView, you could still connect it to that one, I believe. But then let's say you're trading with the $40. You know, they give you the 25K account. You have minimum 7 trading days. Take as long as you want, and your target's 1500. Your trail stop is 1500. Now this will give you the incentive to try to get consistent, because once you do pass this evaluation account, you could get a funded account, which then means you're able to. I think we go down here. I think that's divergence. We go down here. Once you do become consistent with this trading account, with this evals accounts, then you're able to get funded and keep using their quote-unquote money, and you're not really using your own money. But what's great about that too is you're only putting $40 down at first. So if you blow that eval account, you're only losing $40, which is, let's say if you're trading options, like one contract, 2 contracts, depending what you're trading. Dakota asks what divergence I'm talking about. I'm talking about just the 5-minute at the moment. It's nothing too crazy. It's just like right there to there and there to there, but it might not play through.
Hey, Kev, can we just take this offline DM?
Yeah, you want? Yeah, shoot me a message.
Let's do that.
Shoot me a message for sure. Absolutely.
And we can talk about that, okay?
Yeah.
We're taking our time from the community here.
Sounds like a plan, man.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate that. No, thank you. See that community that works together grows together. All right, so we had that rally, base, and rally, so that did continue. That did work out. Again, I'm still not taking it short. I don't know. Check what bookmap looks like. Let's see. Bookmap looks like a mess. Bookmap always looks like a mess. Let's see. Let's see. Gonna do this. Show data drawn. Yes, awesome. Alright, YouTube guys, if you guys got any questions too, please let me know. Drop it in the comments.
Hey, Kev.
Yeah.
So right now I'm looking at your screen even earlier. It's all blurry. Is that because of what you're doing in your on your side?
It's blurry on what? Discord?
On my monitors, yeah.
On Discord or on YouTube? Discord?
Yes, sir.
Guys, am I
sir.
blurry on you guys too? Blurry for you too? Alright, let me see. Stream quality.
Yeah, it started out that way, yeah. There's just sometimes when it turns that way too, Kev.
Oh, it looks like unlock HD video streaming with Discord Nitro. I might have to get Nitro. But I have it on frame rate 60 FPS, which is the max, and I also have it on 1440p for resolution, which is also the max. Maybe if I bring that lower, could that do anything?
Right now, I'm seeing the screens a little better. Your charts a little better.
Oh, okay.
But when you were showing the maps, yeah. Well, it started out like it just went
Oh, the
blurry
book
now.
map.
Yeah.
The book map.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's blurred now. It's blurred now. Your charts are.
The charts are blurred
Is
again?
anybody else seeing that besides me? I didn't say anything because I thought maybe it's just something that you may be doing on your side and causing it to happen. But
Yeah, I don't know. That's strange.
can anyone else in the community confirm that?
Yeah, Dakota said in the chat too. Also
Okay.
blurry for me. He says he thinks it's TOS. TOS definitely is a bit
Yeah.
blurrier than others. Let me see.
Yeah.
So, like, would this look better? Does this look better for you guys? Let's see. Wait.
It's
Good
even,
morning.
Wait.
Good morning.
Morning.
Ricardo, how are you, sir?
Yeah, it's not blurry for me. It's perfect. What are
Yeah,
you
that's
using?
perfect right there.
This is good? Okay, so then it is
Yeah.
it is Thinkorswim then. That's what it is. Nope, not blurry for me, but I'm on. Oh, somebody in the YouTube comments said not blurry for him. What's going on, Aaron? So I have delayed that on here, so that's why I'm not showing Thinkorswim trading view today. So that's why I'm doing, unfortunately, ES, Thinkorswim. I know it's funny. It's blurry for me too, even.
Why are you on delayed data?
Because there was an issue with my
Your
account.
account.
Yeah.
Got it.
I think we go lower, guys. I don't know. Let's see. I wanna get us another impulse move higher and then maybe short it. A lot of sell orders coming in. NASDAQ looking weak. It was a move higher. I'll short around maybe 4320. But yeah, it's blurry for me too. I don't know why. Be careful shorting though, guys. It's fighting the trend.
What is blurry?
I guess just the Thinkorswim.
Discord.
Oh, Discord.
Okay. I don't see any blurry. I see perfect. Maybe it's Discord. I don't think it's your broker.
Gotcha. Yeah, it's probably Discord. Could be both. Who knows?
Yeah, it's probably what it is. Discord, maybe.
Alright, I sort of feel like we go higher, but I feel like that's the fake out. So let's see, guys. Look at the 15-minute candles, guys. We're getting very weak on the 15. Let's also check out the 30 now. 30 also getting weak. We got how much time? We got 20 minutes left in this 30-minute candle, though, and we only got 4 minutes left in the 15. So let's see how the 15 closes. See if we get a basing on a green basing, which could signify a drop afterwards. But again, it's hard to fight a trend this strong. Plus, I don't have supplier demand. That's not fun. Let's see, where's the supply? See if I can find something. Oh, you know what? Let's check this chart on the 2 hour. Oh, no, that's right. We're at year-to-date highs, so there won't be any supply. That's fun. Which means we have to create new supply zones, guys. Woo! So let's see, maybe the higher time frames we'll keep an eye for some type of green basing candle before we continue lower. So right now, maybe the smaller time frame we're better off scalping longs, and the higher time frame waiting for something to signify or show some type of rejection. Alright, we're back to this 43.20 area. This is where I said I wanted to short just before.
Well, there's that large red candle with the wick on it on the 5-minute.
Yeah, that was a liquidity grab, but I don't know. Bulls have just been in control lately, so it's sort of hard to fight that. But I don't know. Part of me feels like we do go lower.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get in a short here, and really, really short stop, like crazy short stop, because I am expecting it to pump higher. I gotta stop doing sell market with Tradeovate. It's trash.
I gotta be very disciplined on Fridays. I lose quite a bit of money on Fridays.
Oh yeah. Give us a pump higher. I'm gonna. Alright, fine. Alright, I sort of want to pump higher so I could add to the short actually. Unless NASDAQ has a crazy pump higher. Okay, wait a minute. I don't think it will though.
Order filled.
I don't think it will. I don't know. Let's see, guys. Time and sales on NASDAQ. See what that's looking like. Oh, yep. Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah, it looks like a good sized
Order
candle
filled.
up there in that 5 minute for NASDAQ.
Yeah. Oh, why did? Oh man, that's unfortunate. Just reversed me. All right.
You were going to short that, weren't you?
Yeah, I was gonna add to my short, but it ended up reversing my trade. So that stinks. Because this might be a liquidity grab to the upside again if we don't break that wick. Definitely need some buyers to step in here. But buyers have been present today.
Here it goes.
I hope so. Let's go. There we go, NASDAQ. Bring us. Alright, NASDAQ pushing higher. Yes, time to follow. Here we go, new highs. Nice, nice, like it. Here we go, nice. Sweet. Good push, good push. Do you guys hear the order fill when it fills?
No.
No, alright. I think YouTube might. YouTube, do you guys hear that when it fills? They're gonna lie and say no. I heard one. Alright, yeah, they hear it. Oh, is that why it reversed me? That's interesting. See, this could be another liquidity grab. But let's see, we gotta let the 5 close. Also, the 15 guy is crazy green. Can't fight the trend. Trend is our friend until the end of the trend. Alright, give us another big old push. Four, 3, 2, 2 is a tough resistance right here. 4, 3, 3, 1. Messaging Bliss, guys. Bliss, the guy I brought in earlier. The other day, who does supply and demand too. He's got some key levels over here. So definitely be careful. Time is it? About a minute and a half on the 5. Be careful for a big rejection here. See if we can keep pushing. Wonder what VIX is doing right now. I don't like that it's keep pulling back, but it could also be a fake out, guys. I mean, the 5 minute hasn't closed. It could wait for the last 30 seconds of the 5 and just completely pump.
Bring your share, and that's Tradeovate.
This is TradingView. I mean, it's the Thinkorswim. I'm sorry, I'm keep doing that. This is Thinkorswim. TOS. Yeah.
Take a sticky note and put it up on your monitor. TOS.
I'd still get it wrong even with
Yeah.
stickers.
Thank you, Victoria.
No, I'm the same. Trading View, Tasty Works, Trader
Everything with
Rates.
T, everything trade.
Yeah. I get confused.
Definitely want us to continue on here. Give us a nice rally-based rally. Give us some good moves. There we go. And wick back. No. Alright, big pump. Nope, wick back. I am getting messages. Good morning, Kevin. When you have changed, my Discord does not have voice. I'm sorry about that, Bologna. We have a member having issues with Discord as well. I don't know what's going on. It's time to get off Discord.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm out of one long position. My dog's on my lap. I guess the dog's good luck, guys.
So what I was saying in the morning meeting, mine, if it breaks out, it could potentially.
What was that, Victoria?
Sig was saying in the meeting this morning that if it does break out to the upside, there is a potential target. 100. Like, I'm not sure how much I was paying attention to that, but
Where was Sig's target?
4,400.
Order
He
filled.
said it's a huge target, and he.
Oh, 4,400? Like 75 points away?
That's what I've got written down. I mean, I might have got that wrong.
I mean, that'd be nice.
It did surprise me when he said it, and maybe I didn't get it right.
Yeah, that's
but
a-
I did
no,
write
that-
it down.
Maybe. I mean, maybe like daily. Like, you know, we might hit it soon. But, let's see. Let's see. Come on, be a fake out. Be another bear trap. I did add to my long position on that drop right there on the 5 minute. So I'm
Are
hoping
you
we
talking
continue.
about 4,400 on the MES?
On the ES.
Oh, on the ES.
I was gonna say, is it different? Here we go, NASDAQ. Bring us higher. Come on, ES, you want to follow? Come on. Oh, man. I don't like that. Oh, I don't like ES isn't following. That's not good.
Yeah.
That's not good at all. But we just opened on this 5 minute. We're not even 2 minutes in yet. So I'm being patient. NASDAQ says it wants higher. I'm gonna listen to NASDAQ. NASCrack. NASCAR. Alright, come on. This could also be a rally-based rally too, guys, because look, this basin candle has no wick on top. That's something I pointed out yesterday. Is a huge telltale, a huge trap on retail is no wick on top, because retail reads that as strength. Alright, I'm gonna try to exit one of these long positions. Sort of feel like I should hold it and we're gonna go higher. But I'm gonna go with my gut and try to exit one of them in a second. Oh, nope, missed that exit. I'm gonna wait. Gonna let the 5 close. We got 2 minutes left. Could be another fake. Definitely gotta be patient. We are still in supply on NASDAQ. Gotta be careful. Gotta be patient.
on the 15, it's still looking bullish.
Yep, exactly. Until the 15 closes saying otherwise, then we're still bullish. The 15's like, okay, I got you. 15's like, close bearish, no problem. Because right now the 15 could be trapping sellers. People are watching the 15 not letting it close, and they say, oh, it's a big long wick on top. Meanwhile, we got 7-8 minutes left on, about 6-7 minutes left on the 15. Only about a minute left on this 5. Let's see if we get another impulse move up. Oh no. Alright, we got a minute left in this 5. Gotta be careful here. I am thinking of grabbing another short here, but again, then I would just sort of be adding too much and be going too heavy, so I'm not going to yet. We'll wait.
How many shares do you scale up? Scale out?
I usually just do 1 or 2 on ES. Sometimes 3 if it's a strong move, or if I want to like scalp in and out while I'm holding 2.
And 1 share of ES is $50, correct?
Yeah, I'm a scalper. I don't like Nasdaq's formation up here. That's very bearish. Yeah, definitely not a fan of what Nasdaq's doing right here. That's bad.
Order filled.
Let's see, do we get a massive drop here? Or do we pop and trap some shorts here? You guys know what I'm thinking. But I also have my stop, so I'm ready to not be thinking the right thing. Come on, Nasdaq. You know you want to go higher. That supply zone ain't holding you back. You're too strong. Yeah, you got this, Nasdaq. Guys, encouraging the market with positive reinforcement also makes it move in your favor. No, I'm just kidding.
Good vibes.
Yeah, you gotta send good vibes to the market and it'll pay you back. Sending my love, market. One love, you got this. Keep going. You're so bullish and green. You're so strong. No, Nasdaq, wrong way.
I love it. Go, market, go.
Go, market, go. You can do it. Market's like, no, I can't.
Order filled. Order filled.
I got out of that. Oh, did it? No, stop. Alright, it is an engulfing on the 5 minute. 15's now looking bearish. Oh. Making me eat my words. Wonder if we're gonna pop here, if we're gonna keep going lower. We've clearly been pushing higher today. So again, guys, hard to fight that trend.
Order filled.
Nasdaq looking weak. Coming out of supply. 15 minute looking good to close as a basing. That'd be nice. Yeah, it'd be real nice. If this 15 minute was a basing, I could see us selling off. Damn, ES, what are you doing, bruh? Damn. Let's see, guys. quite the market. Very inconsistent at the moment. NASDAQ wants lower, ES wants higher. But remember, this supply zone was used on NASDAQ already, so be careful with that.
What do you mean the supply zone was already used?
We rejected the supply zone on NASDAQ before.
Order filled.
Oh, yeah, so you guys can hear it.
That was mine.
Oh, that was yours? That's so funny.
Yeah.
I ordered Phil too.
Yeah, so basically, supply zones can be used up by different indexes.
No, so this NASDAQ supply zone was used yesterday. So it's not as strong.
Right, I got you.
Yeah. Let me try to get that volume off. That might be better. I don't think you guys are going to hear that order fill anymore. $30 seconds in this 5-minute. I don't know, man. 5 seconds. We might, I don't know. I feel like we go lower. I do like NASDAQ, though, inside supply. Closed in supply. That's a little bullish, in my opinion. See if we get a nice big impulse move up real quick. NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. Here we go. A lot of volume. A lot of volume hitting the tape right here. Time and sales. It's good to see. It sort of bothers me that I don't have like key levels and stuff on ES. It's definitely throwing my trading off, but is what it is. Gotta trade price action naked sometimes. We're traders, should be able to. That's what's great about futures too, though, is it's not impacted by Greeks. Look at that big swallow, nice. That could have been a liquidity grab. Let's see, guys. Oh, was it not? Jeremy might be doing well on Tesla today. Yeah, Jeremy kicked butt with Tesla today. It was crazy. Alright guys, yeah, see we keep projecting these highs over here on ES, which definitely is tough. We do need NASDAQ to show some strength here to continue on ES. So let's watch and be careful. If you're not in anything, just be patient. Because this could wick right here, you don't know. Oh, here we go. Some strength in NASDAQ maybe. Let's see. Volume has been getting weaker on NASDAQ, guys. It's also something to sort of take account of. Let's see. See if we can make some highs on ES. What's bid and ask looking like? Very high, very heavy, heavy volume. We keep hitting highs and we keep wicking off of it, so be careful, guys. Be careful taking longs. Careful taking longs, careful taking shorts too. Shorts also haven't been living too long lately. Whole lot of volume in this candle. NASDAQ rejecting though. Let's see if we get another little push up. Maybe I'll enter a short if we get a push up, which we might not get now. NASDAQ still holding that key level. NASDAQ looks like it wants to fall out of supply. Gotta be careful around here, guys. NASDAQ looks like it wants to just fall. Alright, give us a big wick up and I'll try to enter a short position around 43.23. Whoa.
Order filled.
Yep, it just wants to fall.
Order rejected.
See guys, we're in a tough range right here, guys. See, we could have, because I didn't have ES supply zone or anything over here, I was able to use NASDAQ to say, okay, we're hitting this resistance. Do any of you use Benzinga? There was I just got an email from Benzinga. They're a trading news platform. They're due to a broad server failure affecting businesses. Our services are temporarily unavailable. Never heard that before from them. Gotcha. See, NASDAQ sort of trying to fall. See if we can bring a yes with it. What's VIX doing? I wonder if VIX is an easier read. Yeah, look at VIX at that reversal right there on the 15. I don't get why the crosshair is not. Let's see, synchronized crosshair. Yeah, see, I wish I had TradingView today. This is a little bit of a pain. Now I'm used to trading, just like jumping around. Price action on the 1 minute was slowed. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, look at the 1 minute.
So, Cav, you have data going on TradingView and Thinkorswim?
Not right now. But account-wise, yeah, I have Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim was my main account for a while, and now I do TradingView. They just emailed me back, but they emailed me like this.
How much is data for Thinkorswim?
It's free. As long as you open an account with Thinkorswim, you get free data. What? Make an account with Thinkorswim. Oh, you're right. You're right. That's shot. What about Tradeovate?
No, I called them and they said they're not in Canada.
Wow.
That's where I wanted to do it before. I wanted to start
Get a VPN. No, I know. I'm just messing around. Yeah, you know what else is good? Ninja Traders got pretty good data. They have a time in sale. Trade. Yeah, you know what it is? Ninja Trader is a really old looking platform. It looks like they used that stuff to get the astronauts on the moon, like however many years ago. So, yeah, that part throws me off. But again, it's the data that I really like with it. Like they have a time in sales where it's sectioned off, where it's like different colors for different strength and different volume shelves. It's like really cool. Versus like TOS is just like if it's at bid, it's red. If it's at ask, it's green. So it's like. So this isn't a DOM, this is time and sales. This is when orders print through the market. So if on Thinkorswim what we could do here is we could customize and we could add the ask and we could add the bid, and what that's gonna do is that's gonna show us if this was bought on the bid or if it was bought on the ask. It doesn't tell us if it was bought or sold, it just says that the order was filled. So it goes red if it was lower than the previous price that printed, and it's green if it's higher than the previous price that was printed. So you could throw ask and bid around it, so you could sort of line up with it, see what's going on. I know that some people use it like that. Nasdaq's still falling, guys. Definitely respecting that supply zone. Oh, I didn't end up posting any charts today. Oops. That's okay. That.
Sign off for today.
6 p.m. Eastern. Yeah. Yeah. Take care, Aaron. Be good. Alright, and YouTube guys, don't forget, just drop a like and hit subscribe if you do like what you're seeing. We do go live every morning, do some trading, do some supply demand. Normally, and next week, I will be back on TradingView. I don't know. Again, the issue is sort of a subscription thing. I was on Pro Plus. They switched us to Premium. I didn't go through to Premium. My Pro Plus expired. So I was stuck on the basic one for today. So that's why I wasn't able to have that up. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy.
Is that Dom you just showed? That's Tradeovate?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll pull it over. Give me one sec. Wait. It's taking a second. It likes to take its sweet time. Dom. Right here. Come on. Alright, here we go. ES. Give me a second and a half. Chart. I'm just trying to not show. Alright, here we go. Ah, that looks funny. Really? It's gonna be that way? Wait, give me one sec, Carta. Yeah, Ricardo, I'll send you a screenshot. I don't know why it's being funky right now. Wow, look at that. NASDAQ all the way back to VWAP. That's quite the drop. That's crazy. That was a move, man. Alright, let's see. Anybody catch that drop?
Yes, sir.
Hey, who was that? Was that Dakota?
I'm in it right now.
Nice, nice. Where'd you guys fill? Filled toward the top, or you guys scalping it?
Yeah, scalping it.
Nice.
I'm scalping it as well.
Nice. Good job, guys. Be careful, because we did hit VWAP on NASDAQ, which will be some sort of support, which will give us a little bit of a relief bounce in ES, too. So that's another way I use VWAP on NASDAQ versus ES. ES wasn't at VWAP or Q level or anything, but it still got that bounce with it. But that's because NASDAQ was at the VWAP. Alright, let's...
Yeah, I'm done for the day. I was negative, and this saved me, so I can go into the weekend happily, and I'm off. I'm out.
Hey, awesome, man. Good stuff. Good
Yeah.
stuff. That's what I like to hear. So you
You
green...
guys enjoy the weekend. I'm not sure. Here in Brussels, the weather is gonna be crazy, like 31 degrees. I'm not sure. How is it in New York City?
It's raining in Canada. That's what we need.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're not near the fires, are you?
No,
Oh,
but it's still
okay.
affecting all of Canada.
I bet. Yeah, yo, the air quality's bad over here in New York because of it. That's insane. That's horrible what's going on.
Yeah.
We all have to make a lot of stock market money so we could all buy fire trucks and get over there.
Nice weekend.
Have a nice weekend. Happy trading. Catch you tomorrow, hopefully, if you catch the
Take care.
webinar. Alright, let's see. Stalling out. VIX popping. What's the 5-minute on a VIX look like? I want to see what it looks like over here. Yeah. Yep. Alright, I gotta get in touch with TradingView. Figure that stuff out. I also, you know what I'm probably gonna do? I'm probably just gonna buy the data for TradingView. I think it's only like $5. But I gotta see. VIX still pushing higher. Remember, guys, trend is our friend. Almost a head and shoulders on ES. 5-minute. One of those days. What's the 30 looking like? 30 or 1 hour? 1 hour. Look at that 1 hour, guys. I'm just gonna start trading the 15-minute and higher. It's great trading smaller time frames. 1 minute, 5 minute. 5 minutes great. I'll still use the 5 minute. I'm just old talk. But the higher time frames, guys, that's where the plays are. You know, that's where you're able to get in a trade and set and forget. Say, okay, I'm in, and I'll wait. I'm in. I'm done. I'm in. Here's my stop. You know. Wow, look at that. Right off this area where we rejected before. Right off of VWAP on NASDAQ. That was a crazy impulse move higher. Oh my god, just swallowing up that whole short. Can't hear you. I have the BenQ monitor. Yo, NS, is that any better? I'm sorry about that. Wait, let me make sure. Hello. Yeah, that should be working. Cool beans. Yeah, I was sitting back, my bad. How's it going, NS? Guys, I miss my trading view. Alright, let's see. Good, thank you. Good. Take any trades today, NS? How about any of you in the YouTube? You guys take any trades today? Probably Naked, Bologna. Any of you guys take anything? Ryan, Tripacer. Pop, I see a pop in here. What's going on? Nicole. Hello, Nicole. Mike. Madcore. NS. No trades. Hey, you know what? Cash is a position. That's good. Wow, look at NASDAQ. Just done. Look how well that supply zone's working out, guys, on NASDAQ. That's beautiful. That's real nice. Telling you guys, simplify the trade. Simplify your trading. Simplify your charts. Yeah, I think we come to VWAP. I don't know. It's got 10 minutes before I sign off, so we better. Yeah, come back to this demand zone. We might get a nice play today. We might get this sell-off from supply, and then we might come back into this demand and bounce. I don't know. We'll see. We gotta see. Remember earlier, though, I said we might have a real trend of a bear day right here, so I don't know. But I don't think so. I'm still looking at the daily, and the daily still tells me it broke range and wants higher. This daily looks like a mess right now. Too much on it. I got to get this off of there. Look at that, right near VWAP. I'll get that in a minute. Coming to VWAP right now. Wow. Ain't that something? Damn, look at that. That's clean, guys. Too clean. So fresh and so clean. And that's just how we do in Bullish Bears. We have supply, we have VWAP, we have targets, we have entries, we have stops. We keep it cool, calm, collective. Call out what we're looking at. We work together. Nice big bounce off of VWAP. Let's see. I do think we go lower NASDAQ wise because I do want it to come back to these demands. But, let's see. Yeah, I don't know. I actually don't want them to come back to the demand today because then the demand wouldn't be too valid. So let's see. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. And what could have gave you this sign that we would have had that big of a bounce off of VWAP was we had a decent bounce, not that strong of a bounce, but we did have a bounce off of VWAP on NASDAQ as well. And you also got to take into account for how strong we've been bull move wise. We've had a lot of big impulse moves up whenever we try to go lower. We have this big wick here, this wick here, wicks everywhere. So definitely a scalper's paradise for today, unless you traded the first 30 minutes. And guys, YouTube, don't forget we are having that webinar tomorrow, 6 p.m. Eastern. Going to be on support, resistance, and divergence. And I might even do a little bit on fib. I don't know. I gotta see. Maybe not on fib, but support, resistance, and divergence. And then and that's about it. I'm going to start doing webinars every Saturday for you guys. Anybody got any topic recommendations? You know, you let me know and we could definitely get it going. And then eventually I will probably have Jeremy do a webinar so he could do a webinar on like how option spreads work and things like that.
It's chaos over here.
What was that?
It's chaos over here. It's like severe thunder warning, and like my tent feels like it's about to fall over.
Oh, jeez, bro. Be careful, yo. Gotta be careful.
Stay safe.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Alright, what time is it? It's only been 3 minutes, but we hit VWAP. I don't know. We might reverse here. Let's check what the 15-minute looks like. 30-minute. It's 30. I don't know about that. 1 hour? Alright, so the 1 hour could be a good setup, guys. I don't know why it put me all the way back here. But if this 1 hour closes green with a small body and a long wick on top, we could maybe see it we could see a sell-off for the rest of the day, because that would create a new 1 hour supply up here. And you gotta remember, because we're making new year-to-date highs, we don't have much supplies to base off of other than from a year or two ago. So with that being said, we do have to create new supplies, we do have to create new demands, so we'll see what's going on. But in this market lately, we've been creating new demands. Here we go, 5-minute basing right here on NASDAQ. Alright, we'll stick around till 11 just to see how this hourly closes, see if we do get some type of move, some type of setup for us, because now if we do enter here, enter a short here, put our stop here, we'd be able to target key levels, we'd be able to target new supplies, new demands. Wasn't there? I thought there was. Didn't I mark a 3? Oh no, that's on NASDAQ. Let's see, where's the demands over here? 2 hour. Right, so right here, that would be my target right here, 4294. And of course, that's only if we close green on this 1 hour. Oh, whoa, there we go. Green, small body green. That's what I mean, small body green. Let's see.
On the daily, it looks very bullish. It's got a huge candle.
Yeah, agreed. The only thing I am looking at, the only thing that could maybe sway me the other way on the daily is that we were in this range right here. Ignore the VWAP, but we were in this range, 4,300, 4,260, like a 40-point range, and we just broke out of it. So if we do fall back into this range, that could have been a huge daily liquidity sweep to maybe prepare us for a much stronger down move for the days to come. So that's my only thought. But of course, we would have to come back below 43.05 on Thinkorswim. Oh, that too, guys. TradingView today had that gap up on the regular ES thing, on the regular ES chart. So I wouldn't have had any supply on it either, or demand, really. So today would have been a tough one regardless, just because of the contract rollovers on futures. So that's about that. Let's see. 5-minute. Yeah, look at that. Big old candle. 3 minutes, let's see. This could be a liquidity grab, just like this big candle was a liquidity grab. Because also, if we take into the hourly for consideration, if this closes, this will be inside that one right there. Although it did wick out of it. So let's see, this would be the perfect body right here. Small body, long wick, sell-off. Let's see, NASDAQ broke below its VWAP, now it's coming back to it, and instead of using it as support, now it's using it as resistance. Alright, got 2 minutes left in this. Let's see, guys. Trading's all about patience. Just like Jeremy pointed out, that one guy's saying, trading is about taking money from the hands of the, what is it? The unpatient giving it to the patient, or the non-disciplined, I don't know, whatever it was, but basically patience is key. Big rejection on here. If the candle closes red, I mean, that'd still be pretty bearish, considering. I think it's still gonna close green, however. So we will see. Look at that, big liquidity grab, guys. Just like it did right here. Don't fall for it. Don't be that liquidity. Alright, let's see. Oh man. Oh man, we got 45 seconds, guys. Let's get a drum roll. Alright, see a few more people just joined the YouTube. Hello and welcome, guys. Just a quick reminder, I will be wrapping it up momentarily, but we do have a webinar, free webinar tomorrow, 6 p.m. Eastern. We're going to be on support resistance. If you don't mind just hitting that like button, hit subscribe, do appreciate it. We go live every morning, and we do the webinars. I'm going to start doing these webinars Saturdays. Every Saturday, 6 p.m. will be a different topic. Sometimes it'll be a recurring topic if people did enjoy it. Maybe I'll do another supply and demand soon. I did want to record a supply and demand video to post, so I could get, like, sort of push that a bit better, and then I could take clips out of it. Alright, we got that hourly close, guys. That's a perfect basing candle for a sell-off. Like, really, really clean. You enter here, you put your stop here. Or you enter anywhere over here, put your stop here. Remember, the higher we go, the closer to the stop, the better the entry. But again, we could continue. So let's see what the NASDAQ 1 hour looks like, right? Let's see, is NASDAQ also doing that? No, NASDAQ's 1 hour said, see ya. 90 minute? Nope. 2 hour? 2 hour was a big wick, but nothing too crazy. 3 hour? Nope. And 4 hour. Sort of on the 4 hour still going on NASDAQ, and it goes until 1 o'clock. So maybe if we, like, chop a little bit, get a small drop, and then we get a new 1 o'clock candle and continue lower. I don't know. We'll really have to see and be patient on this one. So let's see. So my bias as of now would be short. Would not be long. Although today's trend has been long. I'm looking at that hourly and it's suggesting a big bearish rejection. Now, would you trade that? Well, if you're looking at the hourly, you're going to enter on the hourly. If you're looking at the 5 minute, you're going to enter on the 5 minute. You're looking at the 15, you're going to enter on the 15, and so on and so on. And that's how you could get better with your entries and exits, because a lot of time when we're doing trade reviews, hindsight, we're like, oh, I should have entered here. Oh, I would have entered here. Oh, that would have been an easy entry, yada, yada, yada. Well, if you let the candle close, maybe it'd be easier. Maybe you would see that. This 15 minute, however, was a big rejection off VWAP, which could also be a basing to a move higher. So it's another thing to take into consideration. Yeah, it's tough. I mean, bulls have been in control today. Bears obviously just took us out of that supply zone, but we did create now a higher low on NASDAQ, higher low on ES. Bulls still have that momentum and volume and volatility, so let's see. So when I say we should start selling off, if this does become a valid supply zone right here, this candle should rip lower, the next candle should start ripping lower. Like, we should have a solid, valid move right here lower. I would even say, like, to target 42.90, about 20 points away, 30 points away of a move. I would look for, like, a 20 or 30 point move from here if we do create a supply zone off of this 1 hour basing, rejecting with that bearish confirmation. VIX wants higher, that's cool. Definitely tough, guys, definitely tough. Let's see. volume-wise, check out what the volume looks like on the cloud. This was when the Bears were in control. Bulls are starting to come back. We'll see if they do hold. I think Bears will continue. Alright, ladies and gents, on that note, I am going to wrap up today's stream. I appreciate you all for joining on the YouTube and Discord. Always appreciate you guys. Have a great weekend. I will catch you all tomorrow around 6. We'll have another great webinar. Alright, signing out. Happy trading.
Thank you, Kev. Have a good weekend, guys.
You too, Ricardo. Take care.